Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of your alarm, not because you have to, but because you choose to. While most people are hustling from 9 to 5, what if your bank account was growing effortlessly, even in your sleep? In today's video, we're diving into some lesser-known ways to build streams of income that work for you 24/7. No cliches, no hype, just practical strategies that can turn your financial dreams into reality. Ready to unlock the secrets of making money while you do what you love? Passive income has become a popular buzzword in today's fast-paced world. More people are looking for ways to earn money without being tied to a traditional 9 to 5 job. The idea of having a source of income that works for you even while you sleep is the dream of many. Let's dive into a variety of strategies that can help turn this dream into reality. Real estate investment is one of the most time-tested ways to generate passive income. Many people think you need to have large amounts of money to get started, but that's not entirely true. The beauty of real estate lies in its flexibility. You can start small by purchasing a single-family rental property or even by house hacking, where you live in one unit and rent out the others. Once you've secured your property, the rental income starts flowing in, creating a steady cash flow every month. A key factor in making real estate truly passive is hiring a property management company. These professionals handle everything from tenant screening to repairs, ensuring that you receive your income without dealing with the day-to-day hassles of property maintenance. Additionally, there are REITs, or real estate investment trusts, that allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. REITs can be bought and sold on major stock exchanges, making them a convenient and less hands-on way to enter the real estate market. By strategically investing in properties or REITs, you not only earn through rent or dividends but also benefit from property appreciation over time. Dividend stock investing is another powerful way to build passive income. Unlike other stock investments that rely solely on the appreciation of share value, dividend stocks provide regular payouts just for holding the shares. Blue-chip companies known for their stability and strong market presence often pay consistent dividends. The secret to maximizing dividend income lies in choosing companies with a long history of increasing their dividends year over year, also known as dividend aristocrats. Reinvesting these dividends can compound your earnings significantly over time. With dividend stocks, you're not only relying on the stock's price growth but also generating an ongoing cash flow. This makes it a dual benefit strategy that grows your wealth in two different ways. Monitoring your portfolio is still essential, but it's much less time-consuming than day trading or active stock market strategies. Patience and a well-diversified portfolio are your best friends when it comes to dividend investing. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have revolutionized the way we think about borrowing and lending money. By cutting out traditional banks, these platforms allow individuals to lend money directly to other individuals or small businesses. In return, lenders receive interest payments on their loans, creating a stream of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending can be more lucrative than keeping your money in a savings account, with interest rates that often exceed what traditional banks offer. However, it's important to spread your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate risks. Most platforms offer automated investing features that select loans based on your risk tolerance, further reducing the time you spend managing your portfolio. Although it does come with some risk, proper research and diversification can lead to impressive returns. Creating an app or software solution is a brilliant way to generate passive income if you have a knack for technology. The world is always in need of innovative solutions that make life easier or entertain people in unique ways. Once you've created your app, the key is to monetize it effectively. There are several models to choose from, such as in-app purchases, ads, subscription services, or a one-time purchase fee. You can also license your software to other businesses that might benefit from it, creating a revenue stream without additional effort on your part. Regular updates and user engagement are essential, but once the app is up and running, it largely generates income on autopilot. If you don't have the technical skills, outsourcing the development can be a worthwhile investment that pays off in the long term. Investing in digital products can be an excellent source of passive income. Unlike physical products, digital items such as e-books, printables, stock photos, or templates have no inventory or shipping costs. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without any extra production costs. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to set up a digital storefront, reaching a global audience with minimal effort. The key to success with digital products is to focus on niche markets where demand is high but competition is low. High-quality products that solve specific problems or meet a particular need will continue to sell, generating a steady stream of passive income. Selling stock photos or footage is perfect for those with a passion for photography or videography. Instead of letting your collection of images and videos sit idle on your hard drive, you can upload them to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. These platforms allow businesses, marketers, and content creators to purchase your visuals for their projects. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn a royalty fee. The great thing about stock photography is that once the images or videos are uploaded, they can continue to sell for years, earning you passive income without any further action. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating high-quality visuals in categories that have consistent demand, like business, technology, or lifestyle. Vending machine businesses might seem like a simple idea, but they can be a lucrative source of passive income. By strategically placing machines in high-traffic areas like office buildings, schools, or malls, you can generate a consistent income stream. The most significant work involved is setting up the machines, stocking them, and performing occasional maintenance. However, with technology advances, there are even companies that offer to manage your vending machines for you, allowing you to truly earn passively. The right product mix, location choice, and machine efficiency are crucial to maximizing profits in this business. Investing in royalties from intellectual property rights is a unique approach to generating passive income. This method involves buying the rights to music, patents, books, or other creative works that generate ongoing royalties. Each time the work is used, performed, or sold, you earn a portion of the revenue. Platforms like Royalty Exchange allow investors to purchase royalties directly from creators or other investors. This strategy can yield significant returns if you choose works that continue to generate income over the long term. It's a way to tap into creative industries without creating anything yourself. Building an automated e-commerce store using dropshipping is a popular choice for generating passive income. With dropshipping, you don't have to worry about holding inventory or dealing with shipping logistics. When a customer places an order on your store, the supplier handles the product delivery directly to the customer. Setting up the store initially requires some work, but tools like Shopify and WooCommerce make it relatively straightforward. Automated software can handle everything from order processing to customer service, allowing you to focus on marketing and growth. By finding trending products and establishing a reliable supply chain, you can create a sustainable source of income that requires minimal effort to maintain. These strategies provide diverse opportunities to earn passive income without relying on the usual suspects like affiliate marketing or content creation. Each method requires some upfront work and strategic planning, but once set up, they have the potential to deliver consistent and long-lasting income with minimal ongoing effort. If these ideas sparked your curiosity or got you thinking about how to make your money work harder for you, then you're already on the right path. The journey to financial freedom doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require action. Which of these passive income streams intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're serious about transforming your financial future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more insights coming your way that you won't want to miss. Until next time, keep planting those seeds of wealth. Your future self will thank you.